Hello all, my name is Siddharam S. Patil, and in the today's session we are going to discuss something about the software engineering, the syllabus of software engineering, what all the books we have to refer for software engineering, how we have to go through the each and every module of the software engineering. Before going to start the software engineering, I want to clarify the few myths about the software engineering. Might be from your seniors or your friends, you people have heard that software engineering is a very boring subject. Software engineering is a very theory subject, and we don't require this software engineering for the future concern. Okay, so this is the total myth. I know the software engineering is a little bit of theory, but along with that, the first thing is that software engineering is very important for your placement concern. Okay, so there are one of your few of your seniors are there. One is Charmi Oswal, Amog is there. Okay, those recently passed out in this year. So if you want to clarify about the what exactly the advantages or usage of software engineering, you can concern to them. Okay, so my conclusion as my point is that the software engineering is required. Okay, so the subject code for this software engineering is 18 CS 35. Okay, as usual the exam marks are going to for 60, IA marks is for 30, and 10 marks is for the your favorite assignments. Okay, so which all books we have to refer for software engineering? So the best book is Ian Somerville. Okay, just a second. Okay, Ian Somerville, Software Engineering 9th edition. Okay, so some of the listed topics are there. The chapters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 23 and 24. So you can refer this textbook, which is very good for software engineering, and along with that there are some of the few books are there. So already the course file is shared with you people in the Google Classroom. So let's starts with module 1, what exactly the module 1 is going to contain. So the each and every subject is having the module 1 as introduction part. So here in the introduction part we are going to study what exactly the software engineering is, and what exactly or why exactly we need software engineering. Okay, so introduction part is there, what are the software process is there. Okay, and requirement engineering. So these are the introduction parts are going to cover in the module 1, and in next module, in the module 2, we are going to just go through the some of the object oriented modeling concept. Okay, so this OOMD, that is object oriented uh, modeling system, you people are going to study in the when you people are going to in the final year. There is one separate subject is there for you people. So introduction, modeling concept, class, model. Okay, these are the things you people are going to study in the module 2. In the module 2, you people are going to study about the system model. In the system model, how you are going to structure behavioral, and which model you people are going to use for the different problems. Those all things are going to cover under the system models. And next comes the design and implementation. Okay, some of the UML diagrams are there, how is the design principles you people are going to learn. Those all things are going to cover in the design and implementation. Next comes the module 4, software testing and software evolution. Once the software is ready, how you are going to test it, and how it is going to be further given as a updation or a evolution or a modification. Those things we are going to cover in the module 4. In the module 5, we are going to just learn about the project planning, quality management. So overall software engineering is nothing but the why we need to study software engineering. Okay, so the basic point comes when it comes to software engineering, there are day-to-day life problems are there, and those problems we have to solve using some of the theoretical and the practical knowledge. But the same thing is required in the software industry. The entire country's GDPs depends upon the what you are going to call software industry, and for developing the software industry and all the things, you require the software engineering. Okay, so indirectly the whole world is depends upon the software engineering. So this is just a little brief introduction, what we going to say, interaction of your one of the favorite subject called software engineering. Let's see one by one the first module, that is introduction of software crisis. Okay. Software engineering, the subject code is 18CS35. Textbooks and reference books we already discussed. Next, these are the topics we are going to cover in upcoming sessions: professional software development, software engineering ethics, case studies. So these three important topics are going to cover in the chapter first. Okay, before going to start the software engineering, I like to tell you people what exactly engineering is. That you people all are joined engineering 1 year back and now are into the branch. So what exactly engineer? Some of the points, thoughts are going to come in your mind. Okay, if it is offline classes, we have discussed with each other, but it is a one-way interaction. Just for timing, assume that we are going to do the definition of engineering. In short or in simple, I like to tell you people that finding the cost-effective solution is nothing but the one of the engineering. Okay, for each and every problem, each and every what we are going to call issues, we are going to give the cost effective solution. That is nothing but the engineering. Okay, and next comes the software engineering. Software engineering is nothing but the systematic, disciplined, quantitative approach for the development, operational and maintenance of a software. Okay, so in the first year, say you have not gone through in detail, but I like to tell you that what exactly is a software. A software is nothing but a bunch of, or what we are going to call a combination of n number of programs. And what is program? You people know that it is a sequence of instructions which are given. So sequence of instructions are going to combine, we are going to form one program, and n number of programs are going to become a one software, or we are going to call it as an application. So what exactly the definition of software engineering? The software engineering is a systematic, disciplined, quantitative approach for given problem. Okay, it should be a systematic. Okay, this is software engineering. And next comes the characteristics of software. What will be the characteristics of software? The software, it should be developed, it should not be manufactured. Okay, you all are going to become a software engineer in coming years if you study well, else it is going to take some more time. Okay, so it should be a developed, not manufactured. So this is one of the characteristics of software engineering. Next comes the software does not burn out. Okay, so it should be carried out. So that's we are going to call it as a software. Okay, next time comes the software should be custom built, because it should be built by our own. So these are the some of the characteristics of software. The first characteristics is it should be developed, not manufactured. It does not burn out, and it should be a custom built. So this is all about the engineering. Then comes the software engineering, and next characteristics of software engineering. So here the one statement in here they have given here, the economies of all the developed nations are dependent on the software. The statement gives the high weightage, what we are going to call economies. The GDP of the entire nation is dependent upon the software. Okay, so to clarify this statement, when you get up in the morning, from when you get up from your bed to when you people are saying the goodbye to your loveliest fellow, your friend, so you are using the softwares. Yes or no? Exactly. Okay, when you get up, you are going to a washroom, there are a number of things are your people are going to say. The electrical geyser, with respect to your body temperature, you are going to set the water heater. That is nothing but one of the small software. When you are coming out, you people are surrounded. In fact, we people are surrounded with the software and number of applications. So the economy of this entire nation is depend upon the software. Next, more and more systems are softwares are controlled. Okay, entire the systems are going to control by the software itself. You can see that there are so many things which you people are going to control from your software or from with the help of your system only. You want to switch on the fan, switch on the projector, you can using a mobile phone, there is a small app is there, you are going to control it. So more and more systems are going to be a software controlled. Next comes the software engineering is concerned with the theories, methods and tools for professional software development. Okay, it is concerned with the theories, methods and tools. Okay, with respect to theory, methods and these when you people are going to study these all the things, we are developing a one of the software. Next, expenditure on a software represents a significant fraction of GNP in a development GDP in a developed countries. Okay, it should be a GDP. Okay, in a developed countries, how much your government is spending money and time on the development of the softwares. So this is all about the software engineering. So next comes the software crisis. Okay, the first bit is software crisis. Okay, you can see that for there is one problem is there. For that problem, you people are using some of the methods, you people are using some of the workspace, and you people are using some of the methods. Okay, but for the each and every problem, for each and every particular query, you are not going to use the same method. Okay, you should when you people are using the same method, same workforce, same techniques, this is I think it is repeatedly, this is the I think it should be a same tool. Just a second, I will make a clearing of this. It should be a same tool.